Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Dollar rupee looks like to be opening flat around 75.60. Kal RBI ka monetary policy was largely not even they maintained their dovish stance. But ye argument can be put forward that now with RBI being dovish still and Fed being hawkish, तो एक contrast बन रहा है जो रुपए के लिए negative हो सकता है. But before you start taking that as a factor and going short on the rupee, you have to look at other factors too. Global markets at this point in time is slightly positive in favor of the rupee because equity markets are doing well. India में इतना inflows नहीं है, but at least India में sell-off has stopped. And if you look at oil, it's not a factor. Asian currencies like Chinese yuan is ultra strong. So net looks like a little positive for the rupee. इस तरफ अगर कैरी ट्रेड का बात करें तो फ्यूचर्स प्रीमियम जिस लेवल पे है वो एग्जॉर्बिटेंटली हाई तो नहीं है, बट एटलीस्ट एट दोज लेवल वेयर पीपल विल थिंक ट्वाइस अबाउट शॉर्टिंग द रूपी. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स मींस एटलीस्ट अपवर्ड ड्रिफ्ट जो है डॉलर रूपी में उसमें मोमेंटम आना बहुत डिफिकल्ट अनलेस वी सी अ बिग इक्विटी सेल ऑफ ग्लोबली और लेट्स से द डॉलर इंडेक्स शूट्स हायर इन द कमिंग डेज. तो प्लेइंग दिस मार्केट विल बी डिफिकल्ट. As of now, the range in the December futures is 75, 30, 35 on the down to looks like 75, 75, 75, 80 on the up. It's a very slow grind upward. I know it's very difficult to trade such markets because you need momentum as a trader to play the market. One trade that can be done is buy on dips intraday जब तक 75-35 के ऊपर है with a stop below that on a daily closing basis. दूसरा ये है कि you can short ranges. For example, you can sell a strangle with 75-76 expiries, 75-76 strikes with an expiry of December end. That can also be done. But intraday में I would be more inclined to buy on dips because generally एक lower level पे demand is coming in the dollar rupee. But 75-35 is a very critical support. In case that breaks down, then this whole upward trend जो बना है जितना भी बना है, it's going to be under threat. On international currencies, Euro INR. Intraday, the bias will be to buy on dips. GBPINR will be more of a sell on rise. GBPINR में इसलिए is sell on rise because the rising cases of COVID in UK is now reaching a point जहाँ पे fresh restrictions may come in that country and that can hurt economic growth and delay the prospect of a hike from the Bank of England. इसके लिए पाउंड में फिलहाल में एक नेगेटिव ट्रेंड बना हुआ है तो सेल ऑन राइज इज एडवाइजेबल इन GBPINR. So that's it folks, this is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day.